Hi guys!
Hi guys! It's your Konyo Vlog girl, Thay Olmoges, and welcome to my very first vlog! At dahil pinakaunang vlog ko ito, dadalhin ko muna kayo sa ibang lugar because we are going to Bohol with my family! Woo! Doon po tayo titira for 4 days and 3 nights para makapag-unwind and relax. Kasi pagbalik natin, klase at work na naman ang aatupagin. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's go! Hello guys! Darating na namin dito sa Panglao. And yes, my sister's here. Hi! This is our first time in Bohol. Stairs na ba? Stairs na lang kami kasi daming tao. So, ayan nga guys, kakarating lang namin sa Panglao International Airport. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi grabe yung turbulence. Tatakot na. Right now, we're just waiting for our bags. And may kasabay kami, tinulungan kami para makapunta kami sa hotel namin kasi malayo daw yung malayo yung bus terminal. Hi sis! Where are we? Tagbilaran ba? Ang kompleto dyan. So, welcome to Bohol! Exit na po kami. Nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel, guys. We will be resting for tonight para ma-ready na kami for our land tour tomorrow. See you tomorrow! Bye! Bye, guys!
Good morning.
morning guys! We're now here at Adelaida Cafe, ang restaurant ng Belian Hotel, and we are eating our breakfast. So here's our breakfast. Hi! Here. Hi guys! So ngayon nakapag-ready na tayo. Tapos na tayo nag-breakfast kanina sa baba sa Adelaida Cafe. So ngayon nandyan na yung namin, van rental. We got our car rental service at Van Rental Bohol. Thank you for the accommodation. And their car rental service is highly recommended since marami ng celebrities and public figures na nagre-rent din sa kanila. So, see you later for our attractions. Morning. So hi guys, we're back. Ang first stop natin for our Bohol countryside tour is the Chocolate Hills. See you there. Chocolate Hills. So this is the Chocolate Hills. Yan po. And we're going up there for 220 steps. Nauna na po yung parents ko and my sister. So, aakyatin din natin to ngayon. Aray. Buko ma. Ay ma. Tingnan natin sa unang mahina. Grabe. At least hangin. Ayan o. Nakapagod pa.
Nakasunog, hindi nakakapagod.
Yeah. For a while. Hindi na talaga kaya guys. Papahinga muna ako sandali. Kaya pa. Kaya pa. Although hinihingal, pero maganda naman yung tanawin doon. So finally, narating na po natin yung pinakatuktok. And this is the view. The very top view. sa Chocolate Hills, meron din silang mga souvenir shops that you can buy if you want to buy here na. Pero may mga souvenir shops din sila na pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao. Ayan. Island souvenirs and so yun, pwede kayong pumunta dito, bumili ng mga souvenirs for your loved ones before you go back to your hometown. So ayun po guys, tapos na po tayo sa Chocolate Hills and we are going to our next destination. See you in a while. Hi guys, we're at our second stop. We're here at Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Philippine Tarsier Sanctuary. Hindi daw po pwede mag-ingay dito and bawal yung flash. Maghahanap po tayo ng tarsier. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung may makita na po tayo. Ayan na guys. Tingnan mo siya. It's so cute. At ayun na nga guys, tapos na tayo sa Philippine Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. So, nalaman natin dun sa loob na ang mga tarsier ay mga territorial. So, kung matutulog sila, babalik talaga sila sa kung saan sila tumatambay. And yes, nakita po namin ay total of 4 tarsiers. So not bad. 4 tarsiers are already good. So guys, we're now done with our second stop. Pupunta na po tayo sa third stop natin, which is the Bilar Man-Made Forest. See you there! Guys, we're now at Bilar Man-Made Forest. Pala yung car rental na ginamit namin for our Bohol countryside tour, thanks to Van Rental Bohol. Hi guys, we're now in the Lubok River Cruise. We're going to ride the cruise so that we can have our lunch here. May priority number pala dito bago ka makasakay. So we're now going there. Sasakay na po kami. Gate 4, right? So we're in Gate 4. We will be going to Gate 4 rather. May mga ano rin sila. Four, table number 1? Yeah. May magwe-welcome din sa inyo dito ng mga banda. Miss Granny vibe ma. Dito pa.
I love the experience.
What?
I love the experience. Ganda talaga mag-experience. River cruise.
Yeah, kita kayo dyan. So, this will be our cruise for today. Dito, ano?
Tama, mabuhay!
Getting our food na. So this is our food. Filipino dish. Yes guys, we're back and we're finally done with the floating restaurant or the Lobok River Cruise, and that was such a wonderful experience for us since it's our first time. Grabe talaga yung mga locals. They showcase their the local bands and the food. So yes, on to our next destination. See you there. Guys, we're now here at Sikatuna Mirrors of the World.
Okay.
Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob.
Salamat.
Natin mamaya mag-iikot-ikot tayo para makita natin kung ano talaga yung nasa loob nitong Sikatuna Mirrors of the World. Ang ganda oh. Parang nasa ibang bansa ka. yung nasa taas na view ng sikat na Mirrors of the World. So, from here, makikita mo lahat ng mga statues. So, maganda rin siya tingnan. Now here at Baclayon Church. This church is the oldest in Bohol and the second oldest in the Philippines. So pakita ko sa inyo. Sabi daw po ng tourist guide namin is this church was made by shells, corals na pinipino nila, and ang gamit nila pandikit dito ay eggshells. So imagine ilang eggs yung nagamit nila for this one. Hotel, and we're done with the Bohol countryside tour. And yes, si Kuya. Thank you, Kuya, for the wonderful accommodation po and
You're
for
welcome.
The comfortable ride. So guys, if you want to avail their Bohol countryside tour, just follow their Facebook page, Van Rental Bohol. I'll just put it in the link. Thank you, Kuya. Nakabalik na kami sa aming room. So, ngayon, I think it's still 3 p.m. Around 3 p.m., right? It's still 3:20 p.m. So, magpapahinga muna kami dahil pagod kami galing sa Bohol countryside tour. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-dinner. We are here tonight at Gerarda's restaurant, and this was highly recommended by our friends. And we're here for our dinner, so I will let you see what we have ordered. We have the lemon chicken fillet, the crablets, and pork dinner. What's your ice cream flavor, Dad?
This is dragon fruit
In a cone.
in a cone. Dragon plus fruit.
How about yours, Mom?
Dragon fruit in a bowl.
How about yours?
Ube in a bowl.
Ube?
Yeah.
Ube. Ube. Mine is salted honey. I tried a different flavor.